Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how I make these wrist cuffs. These are measurements and materials which I'll be using to create wrist cuffs. I made one wrist cuff earlier and it looks like that. That's the right side and that's the left side. Now I will show you how I make a wrist cuff. I'm using this Liverpool stretchy fabric. I'm pinning the centre. Next I'm pinning centre on this satin ribbon, burning edges so they don't fray. Next I'm gathering my fabric and I'm sewing a straight stitch in the middle of the fabric. Next I'm pinning my ribbon centre to the fabric centre. Next I'm gathering my fabric so the fabric fits my ribbon length, and I'm gathering in the middle more than on the sides, and I'm pinning my ribbon on the top of the fabric. Next I will sew my ribbon there and there. This is how it looks after I sewed my ribbon on the top of the fabric. Next, I'm removing my gathering stitching out of the fabric. And now I'm cutting off excess fabric on both edges. After I sewed that ribbon on the top of the fabric, it looks like that. Nice and neat finish. This is left side and this is right side. Next I will add elastic. My elastic is approximately 1 inch longer than my wrist measurement. I'm using a safety pin to end my elastic. Pinning elastic to the edge so it doesn't come out. pinning other side of the elastic on other edge. To make sure my elastic hasn't twisted inside, I'm stretching it and I'm folding my cuff in half, pinning the center, and I'll be sewing a straight stitch there. I'm cutting excess fabric off the edge. I'm turning my cuff to left side, as you can see there, and I'm folding my seam, that seam, in half, like that, and I'll be sewing a straight stitch there. So this is how it looks after I sewed that seam. So both seams are done now. So this is the right side and this is the left side, and my cuff is finished now. And here are my both finished wrist cuffs. If you have any questions how I made these wrist cuffs, please do comment down below in a comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.